Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be enabling and managing a user's notifications. What we want to do is select our settings cog on the top right and scroll down to users. Once we're on the user dashboard, we're going to find the user we want to enable notifications for and select our notifications tab. Here we'll be able to subscribe to different topics. Depending on what they are, we can select on the left-hand side, and Grasshopper will provide us notifications on this bill. You can also filter by specific shipper or account, and you can also filter by specific buildings or regions. If I also want to be emailed these notifications, I can toggle the email here and then hit save. And this is how you would enable and manage a user's notifications.